The Hinyotrap Youth Council HYC has written to Deputy Commissioner SC Sadhu of East Khasi Hills, demanding immediate action to address illegal settlements in Shillong'S Lom survey area. In the letter dated April 25, 2024, the HYC highlighted the presence of approximately 80 to 100 unauthorized households in the area, citing concern over the deplorable living conditions and alleged involvement in illicit activities. Despite pending litigation on a small portion of the land, the HYC insists on swift eviction of illegal settlers. The HYC urged the Deputy Commissioner to conduct a joint spot inquiry within a week, warning of independent verification if action is not taken promptly.
A spot verification, or there should be a spot inquiry where the district administration, the defense estate officer, as well as those persons who are involved in the litigation, they should be present on the spot so that they can show the authorities concerned, see, these are the property or these are the land that are in dispute, and the rest which is settled by these illegal settlers, they are not under dispute. So that after clarifying that fact, the district administration as well as the DEO can take necessary steps to evict these people. So we have written this letter and we have given them a time of 1 week to conduct a spot inquiry. And after that spot inquiry, we urge the necessary and the concerned authority to take action.
Deputy Chief Minister